Yo guys, what's up? We're back. Here's this AFK. I'm invisible. So hello. Yeah. Oops. Uy. Uy. What's that? If you guys want to trade, I have some brain rods right here. This Orkala. Should put that Orkala outside. Also days. Also days. He's my best. Yeah. I should put this. I should put all of these in on the second floor. Should done, bruh. Like here. And this. Wait lang guys. I'll move this first. This one. Good afternoon. Where's the event? That's 7 minutes. Not bad. So that event guys, I'll play some rifles if Jerry is still if he's back. Yeah, they've been AFK for a long time. So yeah. Chat, should I get chat, chat, chat. Is this mine? Hello, PvP. You get this. Was like I was lagging because he said I can take it back. But I said he can keep it, but I want to get it.
You guys are talking orange. Guys, I'm talking with orange. Oh, I thought that was nice more.
Not anymore. I want it again. But wait, sorry, bro. For the clip.
Come here. Come here.
For the clip.
Don't forget my
JP, you can get it back.
shit. No, Prince. No.
It's
No, Prince.
just for the clip, bro.
Oh, no, no. I didn't think you. I didn't think you get lost like that.
Bro, why you walk that like that, bro? You're walking, you're like doing the Michael Jackson, bro.
Oh, yeah. Like this.
Bro, to my screen, also the other people can see it. There's like Michael. Same, bruh.
not kill it.
What if they steal it? You should put the best ones at the top, very top. On the third floor, the best ones. Like your naughty naughty, your triply tratlalinos, tsaka like your tralala.
I'm so tired to go outside that door.
Friends allowed, bro. I'll go outside.
I didn't think it. Yo, bro, you want some orange?
Nah.
I got some. I got a big orange. Oh no.
Bro, after this event, wanna play Rivals? Sure.
Wanna play rifle?
Yup.
Yeah, but you let me drop it. I'm so tired to go.
You. Jerry, sali ka. Ay, Jerry, you want to join? Rivals?
Yeah, take that.
After this event. BRB.
Hey,
Wait
hey,
lang. Oh, that's my base. I don't trust anybody.
yeah. Can you do this? Look,
Wait, BRB ako. BRB.
Nago, some orange. Put this on. Yo, can you do this?
Chill, wait.
I'm lag.
I'm doing something. Guys, by the way, if you like know Jerry, my 6-7 and my lost 25 got stolen, right? I got scammed
Yeah.
by a YouTuber, bro.
You're gonna get more affected game.
My 6-7 and my lost 25. No!
You can try my also tolerable. Finish the rating, happy.
Here, I will show them. I will show them. These, and these. You can offer.
But the war is not in the thing. It's for the ritual.
Yep.
It's maybe for the ritual.
If we have an offer for me. Iba sa'yo, diba?
Ow, my hand. Ah, mine is burning.
Mga trade ko.
My
Sa
phone.
sa'yo na lang. Mga trade ko. And these. If you guys want.
You're
BRB.
running. Ah, oh my god, I'm in the wrong time. I'm so bad. Let me eat my last. Yum. You understand that in this whole. You need this for your.
Food. Nah, bro. Jerry. Do you want event? Event. The 2026 event. You need to put some brain nuts in the New Year's machine. Supposed to be 100%.
You want to?
Event.
Do you want to sleep? Come on. Just put your brain rot in your alt account.
Guys, this is my brain. No!
Bro. It's still.
What?
It's still.
You AFK here, bro. I will log in my alt account.
You put my brain rot in your alt account. Come away.
Oopsie, guys can't see my password. No. No, can't see password. Jerry, do I have some brain nuts or no?
What kind of brain rots?
In my alt account, do I have or no? Oh, I have.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Just get it.
Will still.
Just hold it. Hold my. Oh, din. Let's go. I'll be right back, okay? Wait lang.
I bet.
Just wait. I will make. What the?
What happened?
Nothing.
It's tweaking for no reason. I'll wait for good brain rot.
Ipitin nyo kasi. Tuloy, may langgam.
Yo, bro.
What?
I'll wait for brain rots. Brain rots. I'll go get it.
There's still some brain nuts. Bruh. Bruh. There is so many trash, garbage. Uy! Paldo! Go paldo pala.
Someone just joined me with secret lucky.
Try to steal it. Try to steal.
What the? Huh?
Try.
Oh, wait, lock with me.
Just wait for me. Is he still there?
Yeah.
I'll log in my main account. Just let me log in. Still block. You still I block, okay?
From sitting me. Para
Just tell me if he leaves, okay? Yeah, bro.
It's weird of me.
He left?
He left.
Bruh. I was about to join. friend is not doing it. Jerry, uy, ano nag-join? Can't. Our friend. No steal. Let this here.
I wonder what he have.
Unlock.
There must be something.
Sub ako, bro. Sub me. Guys, this is Ken's brain, not our friends. Ra.
Wait, you can see the upstairs.
This is what he have. This. And this. And the upstairs. The best. Guys, offer, bro. Offer.
You wanna offer it?
Yo, they gonna trade those coming, bro. No scam scabbies.
Bro, why did you say N? Nah, no, but
10 minutes in event. Let's go. Hey, I got lucky block. I have lucky block, guys. Jerry, go to my base. I have a lucky block.
He's scamming, he's scamming, he's scamming. He's trying to scam me, bro. You wanna friend? I can see it. I cannot go out. How can I go?
Go. Me open. Shoot.
Bro, just hello, Francis. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you get. Let's see what
Lost 6-7. I'll get lost 6-7. The best.
Turn around, turn around. Get out of me.
Why get? Nah, bruh. Go out.
Bro, I need club, please.
Sight.
I want to go, please.
Sight. That's the wrong number.
Yo, tiene my naughty naughty. Yo, 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 yo. Nah, he can still.
Bro, I don't have. Bro, I'm not. My name is not Speed. My name is Kimia. Yo, yo, yo.
If you don't give me it, I will steal it in my court.
Guys, who wants a diamond? Naughty, naughty. Who wants?
Stop, please. I'm gonna kill you. You fucking trade. Yeah, you run. You can get. You can get. Oh, next up. Who did so fuck you? You. Oh.
Go out.
Yep, I'm not dumb. Like, I'm using my mind. Bring me cheese.
Bring me Team Cheese. I go on Talo. They will fight.
I see a team here. You're cooked, bud. You're cooked, bud.
Team Cheese, bro. It's a common. Power cell
Not scared.
or cell.
Yeah, look, it's getting away. I see pinches in there. Like, second. But still it. Still it's fine. Not team cheese. What? Hello? Would you like to
Kiwi! Dito, dito, dito! Pipi Kiwi, oh! Bring me Pipi Kiwi! Grab mo, tsaka bibigay mo sa akin.
Saan ka, Kim? Saan ka, Kim? Uy, uy, uy. Uy, kalma, Kim. Kalma, Kim. Akin to, Kim. Si Kim na